A lot of people assume Notion is gunning to replace every piece of Google Workspace, email, meetings, the whole stack. That assumption crumbles quickly when you see what these two really care about. By the end of this quick breakdown, you'll have a crystal clear idea which one fits your workflow, and honestly, you might find you need both. Quick picture. Google Workspace is a complete productivity suite. Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Meet, calendar, chat, and admin tools all wired together. It's the comms and file backbone for millions of companies. Notion is a hyper-flexible workspace for docs, wikis, databases, projects, and internal know-how. Teams build their own brains for processes and planning. Where do they split? Start with communication and the classic office stack. If you need pro email, video meetings, shared calendars, and real-time doc editing that integrates with everything, Google Workspace is simply built for that. Notion Mail syncs with Gmail but isn't an enterprise email backbone. For that all-in-one run-the-company feel, Workspace takes this round easily. Flip to customizable workspaces and Notion pulls ahead. You get wikis, meeting notes, project trackers, slide CRM databases, and internal hubs that bend to your workflow. Workspace gives you docs and sites, but not that modular, database-driven brain. When flexible internal docs matter, Notion just feels more alive and dynamic. AI is where both push hardest. Workspace weaves Gemini into Gmail, Docs, Meet, and more, with premium AI in business and enterprise plans. Notion AI takes a knowledge retrieval approach, enterprise search, AI meeting notes, research mode, all unlimited on business and enterprise. The difference: Workspace AI helps across Office apps, Notion AI unlocks knowledge across your entire workspace. Both are impressive. I'd call this a tie depending on your main tasks. Now, pricing. Notion has a robust free plan for individuals and small teams. With limits, Workspace lacks a free multi-user business tier. Paid starts at $10 per user per month for Notion Plus versus $7 per user for Workspace Business Starter. The sweet spot: Notion Business at $20 with unlimited AI, or Workspace Business Standard at $14 with strong storage and AI included. I'll drop links to the latest pricing below so you can grab current numbers. The move: if you're a startup or small team wanting one flexible home for docs, projects, and knowledge, grab Notion. If you're a growing business needing pro email, meetings, file sharing, and admin controls, Google Workspace is your foundation. Larger orgs probably pair both: Workspace as a comms backbone, Notion as the knowledge layer. My take: these two aren't head-to-head enemies. They're complementary more often than not. If I had to pick one to run a company, I'd lean Workspace for infrastructure, but Notion would be the layer making work feel organized and AI smart. Appreciate you watching. Go make something that actually works for you.